for ball.
Cat, cat, ball.
C is for cat.
Cat, cat, cat.
D is for dog, the dog. E is for elephant.
Elephant.
F is for fish.
Fish.
G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
H is for hat, hat. Sing along with me. Come and sing with me. Learning letters A to Z. Sing along with me. I is for igloo.
Igloo.
J is for juice.
Juice.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey.
Big.
N is for nose. O is for octopus.
Octopus.
P is for pig. 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 Queen. R is for ring. Ring. S is for sun.
Sun.
T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
V is for van.
Van.
W is for watch.
Watch.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
U is for yellow.
Yellow.
Z is for zoo. Now I know my ABCs. Next I want you to sing with me. Sing along with me. Come and sing with me.